Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is episode 7 of Noob To Pro. This is a series where I will be teaching you all the math concepts you need to know to become a math wizard. This episode is about division. This episode you will be learning with the fourth operation, division. So, what is division? Division is the opposite of multiplication, something we learned in the previous episode. Multiplication was repeated addition, but division, it's the opposite. It's kind of like how subtraction is the opposite of addition, division is the opposite of multiplication. This is repeated subtraction. It is how many times you can subtract a number from another number. Example, use this symbol that's after 10. 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. Because 10 minus 5 is 5 and 5 minus 5 is 0. You can subtract 5 from it 2 times. And then you have the answer of nothing because 0 is nothing. So you can subtract 5 from 10 2 times. So the answer is 2. We will soon learn a harder version of division which has decimal answers. In this, 10 minus 5 and again minus 5 gives 0. Sometimes it won't give 0, but it will be less than 5, so you can't subtract it or else you will get a negative answer. So you have to do something, and that is the decimal division, and you will be learning this soon. So how to do division? So if you have not learned the multiplication chart already, please learn it because you will need it to do this. And also you need to know the subtraction chart. So this is going to be a basic example, 20 divided by, this is the symbol, by 5. So what we are going to be doing for this, we will be dividing 20 by 5. So this is like saying 5 times what number is equal to 20. So if you look at the multiplication chart, you will see that 5 times 4 is equal to 20. So you will write 4 here. And this is an example where you don't need to do any other steps. This is it. Now let's move on to this example. 378 divided by 7. Now we have multiple digits. So what do? This is how you write these equations. Like this. On top you will be writing your answer. There's actually not much space for me. I'll just move it a little down. You will be writing your answer over here. You will write this number, the big one, over here, and this number over here. Okay, so I'll erase this in this. So 7 will be written here, 378 here, and as we get the answer it will be written at the top. So we will start from the left side. 3 is our first digit, and over here we have 7. 3, it is less than 7, so we will use 2 digits, 37. So 37 divided by 7 is going to be the first question. So 37 is not there in the 7 table. If you look at the grid, you will not see 37 times anything equaling to 37. We have to see what is the closest number to 37 that is not more than 37. It should not be more than 37. It should be less than 37. So this will be 35. So we will subtract 35 from this 37, giving us an answer of 2. And now we will do 7 times what gives us 35. This what is going to be 5. So I will write 5 on top of the number that we added. We added 7 to make this. So this number 5 is on top of 7. Yes, it is on top. Now we have 2. We will bring down this 8. And now 7 times what is equal to 28. You will see that this 28 is actually there in the table and it is 4 that you multiply it by. So you can subtract 28 from it, which gives you 0. Since this is giving you 0, that means that you don't have to do decimal division. So we will put the 4 over here to get our final answer of 54. Let's move on to the next question. 1982 divided by 3. So we will again write it in the same form. We will put the 3 here, and we will put 1, 9, 8, and 2 here. So we will start off with just 1. 1, it is less than 3. So we have to use 2 digits. 19. So we will have 3 times what is equal to 19. You will not see 19 in the 3 table, but the closest number you will see, it is 18. So 3 times 6 gives 18, so we will write the 6 here, and we will subtract 18 from 19. Okay, we will subtract 18 to get 1, and look, I have put the 6 on top of this 9, not on top of this 1 over here. Why? Because we can't do the subtraction with only 1. You need to do 19. 9 has to be there. So it will be put on right hand number. So now we will bring the 8 down. Now already we saw 18. So we can subtract 18 from this to give us 0. And we will write the 6 here. And now we will bring this down 2. But look, we cannot do anything with 2. So what do? We write a 0 here, and that is it. We can't do anything more with this. But this 2, it is left behind. So what do? Because of that, we will be writing a remainder. This is what remains, which is equal to 2. 2 is our remainder for this question, and this 660 is our answer, which is called a quotient. The spelling is Q-U-O-T-I-E-N-T, quotient. Now let's move on to the last question. This is 4 digits again, larger number. We are dividing by 9 this time. So 5,928 divided by 9. Let's put it in this format. 5928 divided by 9. So first we will do with 5. 5, it is less than 9. Sorry, that was wrong. 5, it is less than 9. So what do? We will take 2 numbers, 59. So you will see that the closest number to 59, it is 54. And this is 9 times 6. So we will write the 6 on top of the 9 and subtract 54 from it. Minus 54, which gives us 5. We will bring down the next number, which is a 2. So 9 times what gives us 52. So the closest number for 52 is going to be 45, and this is times 5. So we will put the 5 down here, up here, and this 52 we will subtract from it. 52 minus 45, which gives us 7. I don't have much space, which is why I had to erase that. I'll put the 7 here. I'll bring down this 8. Now 9 times what is 78. Now we don't have anything close to 78. I mean, like, it's not in the table. We have to use 72. And 9 times 8 is 72. We will put the 8 here. And once we subtract 72 from this and get an answer of 6, this is our remainder. And 658, this is our final answer, which is our quotient, which is 658. So this is the final answer. Now keep in mind, these are 3 things that you need to know. Any number divided by 1, it is the number itself. In multiplication, when you multiply by 1, you get the number itself. In division, when you divide by 1, you get the number itself. So 23 divided by 1, it is still 23. Now any number divided by 0 has an answer of undefined. 62 divided by 0, it is undefined. But don't get confused. If it is 0 divided by anything, then it is going to give you an answer of 0, not undefined. Undefined is only when you are dividing by 0, not when 0 is being divided. What this means is, if it is 0 divided by something, then you will get 0. But if you are dividing something, let's say 4 by 0, it will give you the answer of undefined. So there are some examples that I have given. 62 divided by 0 is equal to undefined, and 0 divided by 5, it's still 0. Now this is your test. Your first question is 812 divided by 0. Your second question is 9,812 divided by 8. And your third question is 67,281 divided by 4. Let me know your answers in the comment section down below, and I will make sure to check your answers, and I'll let you know which are correct and which are wrong. Episode 8, decimals. Yes, the decimal division I was talking about, that decimals. It's coming out this Tuesday, which is the 5th of August 2025. Whether you will be learning decimal division in this episode, I can't tell you. But you are learning it. So, thanks for watching.